rich and famous. Who are you to criticize? Why we always judging?
Okay, y'all, it's your girl NYCDC. Welcome to another video. And I actually didn't even know I was gonna vlog this week, but y'all are just gonna come with me. So see y'all later. Let's see. So in gym we were playing a little heated volleyball and it was fun. Doing 1v1 against each other. No, you're good.
Get out the way. Oh!
So y'all at my lunch.
So this was a totally different day, and we just like cooked potatoes in culinary, and it was pretty good.
Y'all are just gonna see us cooking and then watch how spiteful.
It was at this moment he knew.
Embarrassing!
It's funny. Nick, yo te iba a preguntar, ayer te mandé un mensaje y no contestaste. Otro.
But basically, we could all tell that it wasn't cooked, and it took a little minute for them to actually be done.
Oh, the potatoes were so good, we didn't even come back to show y'all the finished product.
Alright. You can put the finished product.
Nope.
Before and the after. What you gonna say?
What I want to say?
Yeah.
What up, y'all? Today's a weird day. Just see, nobody's here. Nobody here. People think they funny. They posted stuff.
Well, at the time, we couldn't speak on it, but they were following a bunch of TikTok trends. These little kids, whoever it was, and there was nobody showing up at school. And all the classes were empty, so thankfully it was like pretty easy to go through the day, but it was loud.
Yep. We're gonna be okay though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, I'm for them grade. I get nervous on the guys, It's back door. I'm nervous, but I ain't nervous, but I'm nervous though, you know? For them grade, What the f going on?
Oh!
Y'all, look at me being a scholar. It's a feed. Marcus was a sweetheart and brought us some brownies. Yeah, period.
So your girl was literally on a plane because I had to go take care of some stuff, and my mom really took the window seat. Like, I don't know if she thought she was, but it's okay because, you know, she probably hasn't sat in the window seat in a long time, but I'm just obsessed, you know?
Aircraft is parked at the gate, and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Use caution when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during.
So y'all, we had to walk to the gate, basically. I'm not gonna cap. I'm never gonna cap, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're in Atlanta to take care of some stuff for a little bit, and then I'm gonna catch y'all back when I'm somewhere else. See my enemy when they cross me.
I am not
my enemy when they
Oh!
with my enemy. See my enemies when you cross me. See my enemies when you cross me.
Oh!
So y'all, we were back to the place that it all almost began, but basically we had to go pack some stuff up.
And I'm gonna give y'all an old house tour.
Okay, y'all, so we're packing all of this up and all of that, and yeah, we're gonna be leaving now. Good. Cleaning. Okay, girl, you cleaning up it. Wait, doesn't he have to use like a paper towel?
That's to dry him.
I might have to call out Jumbo. I might have to call out Jumbo. I might have to call out. I might have to call out Jumbo.
Okay, guys, so we're about to leave, and then we're gonna move some more stuff, and yeah, that's really it for now.
So you're not gonna recognize this area unless you're from Atlanta or you know about it. But that's where we used to live by, and that's where the apartments were. And they actually put a new store too. I'm mad. We left before I could get some Ben and Jerry's. Like, be for real, but it's okay.
Okay, we're on a side quest. We're about to take this downstairs and stock up the fridge. And we're about to also stock up like the pantry. But yeah.
Oh!
Not too bad. So yeah, it was a long day. We were just moving stuff and we were getting it organized because we're about to leave. The second floor. Wait, you gotta help me. Keep it open. Yo! I'm gonna fight you then.
Oh!
No, put the door, it's holding it open. The top one. You have that.
Oh, I need help. Focus. How do you feel? Doesn't it feel like really late? Oh. I need to get her off. I've never taken her on a circus. Are you gonna open the door? I'm going to open the door. Easy for me. I can't believe this is our last time like being in the building. My shoes are almost like ruined. So welcome to our I'm gonna hit you back. Why is she doing this to me?
I see you.
Okay guys, so look. We're stopping.
Oh!
I don't care. Okay, let's do the freezer. The freezer's sweet.
Oh!
Natalie Nunn! Hey, baddies!
I'm beating the allegations that I can't come. So you see how it's like this, guys? You're just gonna put it
I know how to take photos on an iPhone.
with this button.
I already did.
Guys, I kind of want to steal this ice cream. Did you take a picture of it?
No.
Here you go, guys, as you can see.
Look at her.
Oh! You want to go by the pool for the last time? Do you want to go by the pool for the last time? Come on, hurry up. We're going on a side quest. What time is it? I'm not gonna lie, bro. The pool is closed, actually.
Embarrassing!
I know they're watching this. It's like, girl, what is this? I can't stand her. She's like actually insane. She doesn't know how to go on a side quest. Do it dance. Okay, guys, we're going up now. Bye. So y'all, I'm on the balcony for the last time. It's so nice over here. Like, look at it. It's okay though, because we're moving to bigger things. And yeah, that's really it. The view. Amazing. Don't play with it. Empty tour. So, what we got in here? About to leave. Giant closet. And there's a window. Don't play with it. Yeah. that's really it. This is like the last time we're gonna be staying here and just looking out all these windows and enjoying ourselves. Literally peep how empty it is. Like, look at this, y'all. Then we got in here. I was always in here. Yeah, I can't really see, but I'm about to open it. I was always in here. Look at it, like, look at the view, y'all. It's okay. I want to live here. Then there's this whole entire mirror. My hair is not done, guys, but look. I found a way to make it cute. And here is the bathroom, another bathroom that we got. And then this closet is gigantic. Look how empty it is now. Look how we really ate that up. It's really clean now. So yeah, we have a whole entire like kitchen, but just look over here. Ain't nothing in here either. Like, you wondering what's in here for you to eat? Nothing. Don't even ask me. You want me to get you some seasoning? Don't ask me for no seasoning, okay? Hold on, let me move this. So we actually have like washer and dryer in here. So if anybody needs to wash their clothes, just go in there. And that's really it for the entire tour. It's a hallway now, an empty hallway now with the shoes. So yeah, but that's really it. Hope you enjoyed the little tour, my apartment tour. Yeah. Oh! Ooh, really in the go. It's so simple. Yeah, I'm really giving. Yeah, y'all, they were basically just playing pool and enjoying themselves. I didn't really participate because I'm not good at it, but you know, one day I'll be way better and I'll actually play. But I just wanted to really hang out outside and like look at the view for the last time, and yeah, it was really beautiful. For like everyone that's not from Atlanta that's watching, y'all can just see a little bit.
So when you drive through the city, this is what it looks like. We were leaving very early, and I had to get back home because I gotta go to school, y'all. Like, I'm not in Atlanta anymore. But yeah, honestly, I had a good flight, and everything went well. It really has been hard for me to upload because of how hard school has been, but I'm catching up, so yeah.
Okay, guys, say it to that vlog. Oh, I can't even see. Girl, it's hot. It's hot. So y'all, I'm here at lunch. We're not really doing anything today, so I don't know if I'm gonna vlog more, but y'all will see. Okay, y'all, so she's trying the, what is it? Butterscotch. Oh!
I'm just here for support.
Period. Okay, let's see her reaction. You're acting like it's a jelly bean. Oh my gosh, we should do that. We should do the bean boozling, yeah, together.
Let me throw down.
Are
you still vlogging?
Yes.
Support,
Okay.
but she's not supporting me.
You told her I was saying.
Guys, when you tattoo,
Ooh,
keep the tattoo. Wait,
oh my gosh, it came out good.
Wait, does it? I don't know what that was on it.
Did you like to try this one? It's right here.
Drink on this one.
It better be good.
Oh, you've had it before?
Yeah.
I don't like shrimp. I don't like shrimp.
It's a little minty.
Last time she did that lollipop.
It's minty. It's good. It tastes like the actual drink. Like if I was to drink it, this is what it would taste like. Yeah, it's good. Okay, your turn. I don't want to try mine. I don't know what it tastes like.
Root beer foam
It's probably gonna taste good though. I'm at the food drive. Everybody's working. It's a bunch of people here. Clean up random side queries. So yeah, y'all, we're just cleaning them out. And that's gonna be it. These over here. Hey guys, so Lainey caught a bird. Don't let it go on me. She's saving the birds. Today's side quest master. Sit on the floor like. Look at them walk. He's talking to some girl. Yes. Okay, y'all, I'm just walking to class. My hair got a little messed up from the gym. You said what? Because she said, okay, vlog, we're gonna go play Newcomb. Yeah, that's the fit.
The next day.
So you have -3 right now?
Guys, why are we losing? So y'all, I forgot the name of it, but it was like French, and we had to like make a sauce. Basically, when you're making the pasta, you don't want it to be like sticky or anything, and yeah. In a pot, that's a wet. That's me for real.
Basically, we made mac and cheese like in a different way, and we didn't know how to act.
Y'all see we ate.
Yes. This got a buzz.
For real.
Okay, I'll play it.
W cooked.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Everybody knows we're wifey material. Thank you. You better not say nothing, right? Can you cook?
Don't play.
Your mama didn't teach you how to, but you could. Trust me, I could cook. We cooking it. We ate that down. Enough to feed the village. Ooh, I'm gonna tear it up. Okay. So y'all, that's how we cook macaroni. You want your tray? Okay. Let's try Nick's macaroni.
Alright guys.
Okay, there's.
I'm probably
I take it. Just take it. Bruh.
This is good.
Oh, it's good. It's good. It's bad. Oh, don't spoil my appetite.
Like the sauce.
I need to cook a little more.
The sauce itself was good.
Okay.
After we added it.
Messed up, bro. Nick's is good though, surprisingly. This one's ours.
Yeah, you saw the footage. Oh.
Look at him. Yeah, you can take it. Yeah, that boy cooked. He cooked. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. We gotta try ours too. Ate it. At the table. Hold on. No, it's good.
Colder now, though.
Yeah. I can still eat it cold though. Warm it up later. Eat towards the middle is warm. This is good. Okay. We did that. Here.